Kneel down in front of the top ramen trough? No.
I mean,
I refuse.
Hey,
that was still the most rancid fucking thing that Fish has ever suggested in my life.
No, absolutely not.
Bro,
Absolutely not.
that
No,
was fucking
no,
disgusting.
no. If you
That
have
was
no.
disgusting.
I won't have any of this. I won't have any of this. No,
I'm not gonna
no,
have any of your bullshit.
no.
That
Okay.
was disgusting.
No,
and
chat.
you know
Listen,
it is.
chat. I need you to hear me out. I need you to hear me out. Please hear me out on this one.
Please, try to convince them.
Okay, so here's the deal. What Oxy means by a trough of top ramen, okay? My idea, what I've wanted to do for a long time, I've been doing conventions for 12 years now, okay, chat? And what I've never gotten to do, but I've heard people do this, is they lay down a tarp, something clean, something disinfected, to line an entire tub, and then they make a tub of ramen, okay? They pour in like 20, 30, 40 packets of ramen, they crank that hot water, they add in all the seasoning packets, and you have a communal ramen trough. And everybody gets fucked up and eats ramen out of the tub together.
Fucking vile. Absolutely
No, it's not vile.
Unsanitary.
It's not unsanitary.
Bro.
It's not unsanitary.
Chat, back me.
Yeah, what if you use a good ramen?
Fish, that is deeply fucked up.
No, it's not. It's
Please
not.
don't. Come get your furry slop.
It's
furry
not.
Slop from the fucking
It's
the slop
not.
trough.
It's not. The heat of the water plus the sheer amount of salt in the water, you got nothing to worry about. Especially, like, if it's people you know, and, like, you're all, like, not sick, and you're all tested and healthy, you know? It's like
There's a lot of ifs on this fucking statement.
It's like an orgy, but for eating ramen.
Nah. Fucking time out. Fucking no. No. You know what? There was a possibility you could have swayed me to your side right up until you dropped that fucking line on me. No. I'm sorry. Back the fuck up. No. Fish, you are scaring chat. You've given chat anxiety. Look at what you've done. They're scared of you now. They're scared of you. They're worried. They want you committed to an asylum for what you just said. What have you done? Yeah, Snickers like, Fish, be honest, is the ramen trough a sex thing for you?
No, it's not. It is not. It's not.
Are you sure?
It's
I'm
not.
pretty sure you'd be fucking pitching a tent if you saw like 3 people slopping from the
not.
ramen trough.
It's not a sex thing. It's not a sex thing. Okay, listen.
Are you
listen.
sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I am being brutally honest. It's not a sex thing. It is a community thing. It is a happy. It's a happy communal ramen tub. We are eating the ramen together. From the tub, everybody gets their own little section. Maybe no more than 4 people.
This is fucked.
Maybe no more than 4 people at a time. Okay. Okay. It's not that bad. It's literally just a tub of ramen. Okay. I've seen. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just if it's disinfected. If it's a brand new, if it's a food safe plastic. Okay. Never been used before. Okay. Fresh noodles. Okay. Look, I've worked in a restaurant. You'd think I'd do something that would get people fucked and fucking sick. Hikari, I got DMs. What did you do? Koba's moving eyes in Morse code. I'm sorry.
Help.
I will send you to Jesus. Look, ramen bathtub. Chat, come on.
No, dude, literally, no one in the history of Dota's ever fucking conceived of this before, dude. You were the only person.
You know what? I'm looking this shit up. I'm looking this shit up.
Normally, I'm on your side for fucking weird ideas. This is too far. Like, as a good
Why
friend,
is
I
this
have
too
to tell
far?
you,
Okay,
because
listen.
that's fucking disgusting.
Listen, this isn't like we're eating it out of the toilet. This isn't like we're eating it out of a fucking gutter. This isn't like we're eating it out of a plant or something. We are eating it.
Why can we not just take like a gigantic fucking soup pot and just make it in there?
Because the
Why a
tub
bathtub?
is wide, and you can sit around it, and you can. It's long. It's long. You can have more people around it, and it's convenient.
No. A tub is built into the fucking wall. You have one side access. A
No.
pot is 360 degrees.
Depends on the tub. Also, do you know how long it takes to boil a pot of water that big? Do you know how long it takes to boil a pot of water that big?
I mean, if you started off like with fucking hot water, not that much.
I mean, I guess, but like.
Also, life hack, you could split up the total amount of water among smaller pans and then add them to the fucking final product.
I guess, but like food.
But here's the thing, like, bro, secondly, do you think that fucking bathtubs have water hot enough to safely cook ramen?
What do you mean safely
No.
cook ramen? Ramen doesn't
Bro,
have
that shit is tepid room temperature at best.
Koba, where do you live that you don't have Koba? Okay, can I explain something to you?
Hot water is not boiling hot out of the tap,
it's not
dude.
boiling hot out of the tap. That's fine. If you let ramen sit, it absorbs it all the same. It just takes longer to cook. The thing is, right, if you don't have any fucking meat that needs to be cooked, then it's fine. What?
I asked you if there was a fucking personality trait from one of your friends that you would like to adopt, and this is what we ended up on.
I'm sorry.
I've given up all fucking hope.
No.
on you.
Okay, I was gonna decide on whose personality trait I'd steal, but then something happened to make me talk about the ramen tub, and I actually.
Dude, you keep bringing up the ramen tub almost every fucking stream. In every fucking stream, not only
No.
but chat tells you A, this is a bad idea. B, this is disgusting. Every time.
Fish hot water heaters are usually set to 60. Why is my hot water hotter then?
I don't know, Pan. I'm scared.
Okay.
Get me out of here.
Okay, I don't know how this started. I legitimately don't know how this started.
Yeah, it kind of just went off the rails.
Oh, okay. I know who started it. Oxy started this. Everybody point at Oxy.
Oxy, you shit disturber, I swear to God.
Oxy was the one who said ramen trough. Oxy, again, it's the Bone Man. It's the Bone Man every single time. I did not bring this up. Koba. You cannot put this on me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how disgusting is eating ramen out of a tub?
Like an 8.
Really?
Yes.
Even
Dude, fucking bath, right? People have sat down fucking naked
Oh
in there,
my
dude.
god. Oh my god. I literally just said we line it with a brand new food safe plastic
That doesn't
tarp.
guarantee cross-contamination.
It
That doesn't guarantee...
No, it does.
doesn't.
It does. It does if it's
fucking
thick enough.
doesn't.
It's thick enough.
No, it fucking doesn't.
Okay, no, here's the deal, right? People have, like, I don't know. Okay, your dishwasher.
See, you don't have a good argument against it.
Your dishwasher statistically had rotten food in it before because sometimes, you know, food falls off and it gets nasty. And then the dishwasher cleans your plates, you put it in there, you still eat off those plates.
Are you dead ass trying to fucking compare a bathtub to a dishwasher?
Yes. I guarantee your dishwasher has more shit in it than a bathtub.
You are so fucking wrong. There's not even words to describe how wrong you are. You are a fractal level of wrongness. Where the wrong begins to fucking circle in on itself in infinite spirals.
Okay, Skullcra, do you think I don't clean my tub? Do you think I don't scrub my tub with disinfecting fucking soap powder and soap and scalding water? I'm not saying eat ramen out of a dirty tub. I'm saying
I just missed the item. I'm gonna actually crash out and kill myself. Gerber lime away flavor. All right, you need to go to fucking prison.
This stream is amazing. stream,
This stream is awesome. I fucking love this shit.
Pine salt flavor ramen. I need you to visualize in your. We're gonna do guided visualization, okay, Koba? Hear me out. Hear me out.
There is no guided visualization that's going to get me to agree with you that eating ramen out of a bathtub is either safe, normal, or fucking like fun.
Okay.
I'm sorry. It's not
do
gonna
you
happen.
know how to load a coffee maker?
Yes.
Okay, so visualize that with me. You take a coffee filter, you put it in the top.
A coffee filter is porous.
Okay, pretend it's a non-porous coffee filter. Anyway, imagine that, except the coffee filter spills over the sides, so there's no chance at all of any of the soup liquid from the ramen touching the tub, the surface of the tub. The tarp is larger than the tub. It goes over the side. It goes over the edge so that there is no chance the soup can touch anything in the bathroom other than the brand new type tarp made with whatever number plastic that is food safe. I forget the numbers that are food safe. And then just imagine sticking, imagine it can't come in contact. It cannot come in contact with the tub in any way. I'm not saying it's a filter. I'm not saying it's a filter. I'm saying, imagine it like a condom for the tub, right?
I'm never eating anything you prepare ever again.
No! Like, that's the whole point of, like, a condom, too. You know?
If this is what passes for acceptable for you, I'm never touching anything you eat, serve me
If
ever
it
again.
works, nothing spills out. Ramen.
You fully convinced me. You are no longer safe to be around.
Okay, alright.
I'm gagging the roux.
Oh.
This was fun. This was a fun bit.
Here's the thing, chat. Here's the thing, chat. I wanna break the. Okay, I'm gonna check.
I'm gonna throw the hairdryer in the bathtub, Robin, and kill us all. No, that's going on the pins. I can't breathe, dude. Oh my god. Oh. 10 out of 10, thank you. My lungs are destroyed. Oh. Fisher, I love you, buddy.
I love you too, man.
You're gonna trust your sink to be clean enough to cook boiled water ingredients that says more about your hygiene than the soup? No, it's not designed for it, man.
I think we actually scared a lot of people away.
Nah, it's fine. It's fine. There's nothing wrong.
It's me, it's... Oh my god. Oh, my stomach.
Yeah, my fucking sides, holy shit. But I love Chef.